Hello guys, before we start, I'd like to share with you some videos and pictures from my Instagram account about the dark chocolate glaze you will learn today. In this video, I will go with you step by step through the process to understand exactly how to make this perfect glaze. After you watch this video, you will be able to make the professional shiny glaze. Okay my friend, enough of talk. Let's enjoy this video together. Okay my friend, this is all the ingredients we're gonna need. I will bring all the ingredients to the boil except the cocoa powder and gelatin. As soon as the mix starts boiling, I will add the cocoa powder. Cook your mix to 106 Celsius or 222 Fahrenheit. Here my glaze is ready. Gonna add my gelatin. So guys, here I need you to pay attention to this one, is very important. Look at the way I am dipping my blender inside the mix, inside the glaze. So I don't need any airs to cause me any bubbles. Start using your blender in low speed to make sure all the airs is out with no bubbles, to go smooth and nice. Okay guys, here you have two choices. You can keep the mix in the fridge or you can keep it outside at room temperature. If you want to use it tomorrow, next day, you can keep it outside, that's fine. But if you make a big quantity and you want to keep it in the fridge, this is a different story. I will tell you why. Okay my friend, remember this. If you keep your glaze outside in the room temperature overnight and you want to use it, put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Or if you keep it in the fridge, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes before you use it. Okay, this is my glaze after 2 minutes in the microwave. Now I will use my blender, then it's ready to go. Hey guys, did you see me? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I am so happy to share with you my love, my passion. Please, if you like the video or if you find what you're looking for, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and some nice comment from you. That's make me so happy. Thank you guys, and good luck to all of you, and see you in next video. Bye bye.